This is the 2016 BMW 1 Series, which is going for 116,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So it has 145,013 kilometers on the clock. This car is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder petrol engine, producing 125 kilowatts of power and 250 newton meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.4 seconds, and a fuel tank capacity of 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers, and a fuel tank capacity of 52 liters. According to the Decra report, this car has one issue, which is suspension is faulty. So the exterior, it is still in a good condition. As you can see, the color, it is shining. I didn't see any scratches, any dent. So when it comes to the interior, you have an infotainment system with navigation, climate control, your seats, premium sound system. The interior, it is in a mint condition. There's nothing too much about it. Yeah, that's it about the 2016 BMW 1 Series. That's it. Please subscribe, guys.